In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a jewelry Shopify website. First, open your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to your online store area. You'll find it in the left-hand menu under Online Store, then Themes. This is where the look and feel of your site lives. We're going to work inside your active theme so you can see your changes as you make them. Next, open the theme editor by selecting Edit Theme or Customize on your current theme. This brings up a live preview on the right and a panel of sections and settings on the left. Think of this editor as the control center for your homepage and other templates. Every change you make will update in real time, so you can quickly see what works. Now, begin adding your details in each category or section you see. Start with the header. Add your brand name or logo placeholder, set your navigation menu, and choose colors and typography that match your jewelry brand's vibe. Elegant and readable is key. Move through the sections one by one, updating images, headlines, and descriptions. If a section doesn't fit your brand story, you can hide it rather than delete it, which keeps it available for later. As you work, aim for clear, benefit-driven copy and high-quality images that show texture, sparkle, and scale. You can elevate your homepage by adding a slideshow. In the sections list, add a slideshow section if it isn't there already. This is perfect for showcasing seasonal collections, bestsellers, or a hero image with a short call to action. Choose the slideshow full-frame option to create an immersive, edge-to-edge hero that draws attention immediately. Upload high-resolution images with balanced lighting and negative space for text overlays. Keep text concise, one headline and a short subheading, and add a button that links to a featured collection or product category. If your audience is global, consider keeping text on images minimal so it works across languages. Next, adjust your logo exactly the way you want. Upload a clean, transparent PNG or SVG if you have one. Set the logo width so it's visible but not overpowering. Often a medium width looks polished on desktop and mobile. Check how it looks on light and dark backgrounds, and ensure your favicon matches for a professional touch. Finally, refine the details and save your work. Tweak spacing, alignment, and contrast so text sits comfortably over images. Preview both desktop and mobile to make sure buttons are tappable and text stays legible on smaller screens. When you're happy with the results, click Save in the top right to publish your changes to the theme. That's it, your jewelry Shopify website now has a strong branded foundation with a stunning full-frame slideshow and a polished header.